Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, June 18, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, getting started here. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down by 18 points to 27.66.5 per contract. We are now trading the September contract, so everybody should move their futures contract over to letter U. We are no longer using the letter M, which represents the month of June. All right, looking at the markets here, we had a pretty wild week last week. A lot of choppiness with options expiration. Today we are getting a pretty decent pullback. We'll see if it's sustainable. Again, markets have been holding up pretty well as of late, but we've been somewhat range bound. So again, futures are starting out a little bit weaker. We'll see if they do come back. But either way, we will get trading opportunities this morning, and that's the bottom line. We've had a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going today. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's get started with stocks in the news. We're going to start off the day with JD.com. JD getting an investment from Google. I think it's $500 million investment there. I think they are the second largest online sales presence. So again, we'll see how that plays out. The stock is trading at $45.87, closed at $43.59 on Friday. I'm going to give this the upside bias to around 47 bucks. I think that's probably where we start to see this thing stall a little bit. Maybe it overshoots it a little bit. But again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be a buyer up here. Wait for the chart pattern to tell you a little bit more. And we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Disney. Disney was downgraded this morning. Stock is trading at 107, closed at 108.85. Again, I agree with this downgrade today. I think this is a good level where Disney has traded up to. A lot of resistance in play. They're going to spend money for Fox. It's definitely, I actually like this downgrade today, and we'll see how it plays out. I'll have levels for us once the opening bell rings. We see where this thing actually opens up today. So again, right now I'm eyeing the 104.50 level. Gets down there. I think there's a day trade in Disney around 104.50, but we'll see how it plays out. Right now it's still at 107. All right, let's take a look here at Intel. Intel also downgraded today. Stock right now is trading at $54.13. Closed, I believe, at $55.11. So we're not going to make too much out of it, but once the opening bell rings, we probably will be able to find some levels. A level right off the bat that I like today is going to be around 52.75 to 52.80. That 5-cent window there. If it gets down there, I think there's a play for Intel today. So let's keep it on the radar and we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at Zillow Group. Looks like that was downgraded by Goldman Sachs. Stock is trading at $62.89. I actually agree with this downgrade too. I just think it's an overbought equity at this stage of the game. Very, very long and extended. It's had a tremendous move in the month of May and June. So again, just a very, very overbought condition here. So good little sell-off there. We'll be looking at this one. No levels that I have on the radar just yet. All right, let's go over to CVX, which is Chevron. I believe this was upgraded today. Stock's trading at 124.16. I'm not really sure I agree with this one, but in any case, we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. You know, the bottom line is if crude can move up, all the integrated energy stocks move up. If crude starts to move down, all the integrated energy stocks suffer a little bit. So that's really how you have to look at it. Let's take a look at Chubb. CB is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 129.44. And again, when I look at this one right now, this is on the back of a Goldman downgrade as well. There's not a whole lot to do here. So again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see if there's an opportunity there. Right now, I'm just not seeing a lot to do in this name just yet. But again, we'll keep it on the radar and we'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at VRX. There's some drug news here. I believe they have plaque psoriasis drug or something along those lines. And in any case, the stock got a letter from the FDA, so they're going to have to continue to have a meeting or some sort of details like that. You can check out the news for yourself. Again, stock is coming down. VRX has been on an amazing run. It's really rallied up, and again, a lot of resistance in play. So again, stock getting knocked down today. But we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if there's something to do there. Again, I don't see much right now. Still a lot of support on this name, though, around 20.5. Still a long way off. I'm not sure we'll even see it get down there. But if it did, that would be a level I would keep my eye out for. But again, nothing to really do just yet. But this could be in play later. Let's take a look at Discovery Channel, DIC. I believe it's DISCA. That's the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at 26.43, closed at 27.17. This is on the back of a downgrade as well. This has been running up on the content news. All these companies, since AT&T and Time Warner had their merger approved, this stock has really taken off to the upside. So it's a bit overbought here anyway. We'll see where it goes, and we'll see how it plays out. I don't see much to do here. If it really sold off and went down, a Pierce of 24, I think there's a great play there. But again, keep that on the radar. 23.85, 23.90. I don't think there's much to do here yet, but we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold got hammered last week. Today it is rebounding a little bit. You're going to see the GLD at 121.25, and then spot gold today up $3.60 to $1,282.10 an ounce. So gold upticking a little bit here. The dollar today is actually holding up pretty well. So gold is up with the dollar up, and we'll see how that plays out. Everybody's worried about trade wars. Then you have crude oil today down just 8 cents to $64.97 a barrel. Here's the USO, which is a good oil ETF to track movement in crude. That's trading at $13.16, up a little bit from Friday's close. So we're not going to make too much out of it. All in all, though, we have spot gold up a little, spot oil down a little, and we'll see what it gives us. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We got good volatility out here today. Futures are down big. That usually gives us some good trade setups right from the opening bell. All right, with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.